Seeker. Seeker is used to accurately locate smartphones using social engineering. Concept behind Seeker is simple. Just like we host phishing pages to get credentials, why not host a fake page that requests your location like many popular location-based websites? On today's tutorial we look how to install Seeker. And I install Kali Linux from Microsoft Store to run Seeker. And I install all the necessary tools on my Linux environment that Seekers need. I use a ng-rook tunnel to run this tool outside local network. I finally found out where the phone is located. Watch the whole video until it's over. I will show every steps. Don't forget to subscribe. Disclaimer. For educational purpose only. Me and my channel doesn't assume any responsibility for the use of this tool. Let's go to Google and search for Seeker GitHub. Okay, this is what we want. Okay. To run this tool we need a Linux environment. For now I prefer to use Windows Subsystem for Linux. So first I should to turn on Windows Subsystem for Linux feature. Go to Control Panel. Program and Features. Turn on or off Windows features. Tick Windows Subsystem for Linux. Now go to Store and download any Linux distribution. You can download Ubuntu or Parrot OS or other Linux distribution. I'm downloading Kali Linux. Open. Sudo apt update. Everything is up to date, clear. Sudo su to root. Apt install git.
I need git for the clone repository from GitHub.
Clear. Copy this and paste. Cloning done. Clear and ls. Here's the file Seeker I cloned from GitHub. cd Seeker. Copy this. And paste. Here. This will install Python and PHP. Seeker is mostly written on Python and PHP language. So we need to install them. Clear. For last time we should copy this and paste on terminal. This will install all requirements for our tool. Clear. Okay, you can check all this about how to use this tool. To start Python 3, seeker.py-d manual. Select one of these templates. Google Drive. Near you? WhatsApp. Telegram. I choose number 3 Telegram. Hack Addis for my group name. Group description: what you want. Best YouTube channel. Image path. I already prepare image. It's used to group logo or group profile picture. It's located inside root folder. Its name is logo.png. Number of members. Fake members. To display on fake group page. Number of online members. Server is shared. One last step. Let's duplicate Kali terminal. We should to configure ng-root. Sudo su to root. Password. Clear. Go to our browser. New tab and search for ng-root. Fill your credential and log in. If you don't have account on ng-root, you can create here for free. Okay, I'm successfully logged in. Copy link. On the new terminal, wget paste link. Clear. ls. The file successfully downloaded like shown here. Now let's extract it. Okay, it's extracted. Copy this and paste here. Copy this. Paste and run. No ng-root is start working. Copy this link on my mobile to check how it's working, and I'm waiting for a location for anyone who has visit for this link. Signal is coming. Copy this and paste on browser. I found the location of my cell phone. And I hope you have learned about the dangers of believing and opening any link in this video. Thanks for watching the video so far. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share.